This question that I'm discussing is define the concept of carrying capacity of an ecosystem as relevant to an environment. Explain how the understanding of this concept is vital while planning for sustainable development of a region. This is a 2019 PYQ of GS Environment. Please join me at Shabbir's Educate for IAS Telegram channel where I am posting questions. I also give a target for NCRTs. I also help you in coverage of current affairs on regular basis. Let's discuss this particular question. Now, one thing you realize that a lot of questions, environment, or even for that matter, social issues or IR, they are linked to very essential basics of these sections. Yes, of course, there is current affair, but they're asking you understanding of the concepts. ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये डायरेक्ट करंट अफेयर्स नहीं है. इट्स आस्किंग कंसेप्ट व्हाट इज कैरिंग कैपेसिटी and how is it important for planning? How is it important as a part of sustainable development? You can extend that idea. Most of the students I find are very shallow in these concepts. हालांकि word सुना होता है, you've heard about the word, you know the word intuitively, but अगर आपको बोला जाए लिखो for 15 words, 20 words or half a page, you will get stuck. So the carrying capacity concept क्या है? What is it? So, of course, carrying capacity is about the population and ecosystem can support. Carrying capacity is the maximum population and environment can support. But don't stop there. When I say maximum population and environment can support, it is to do with the type of activities that population is involved in. The carrying capacity for a farmer is not same as carrying capacity for industrialists. The carrying capacity of a forest in a region for tribes is not same as the carrying capacity in terms of urbanization. So carrying capacity population से link तो है, उसको expand करो. In what way? The carrying capacity is in terms of the quality of life support systems, the quality of water, air, land, forest. The carrying capacity is in terms of the ability of the ecosystem to absorb and internalize pollution and internalize the waste generated. Carrying capacity is in terms of whether the ecosystem can support the population or community's livelihood needs or not. So population का linkage resources से है, population का linkage in terms of pollution management है, population का linkage in terms of livelihood, and those points should have been in your answer. Because if you just write down that it's about the maximum viable population, फिर वो explain नहीं किया आपने. And very important, this carrying capacity is also a function of technology. It's also a function of the levels of development of a society. So if I'm talking about primitive agriculture without implements, without fertilizers, without any type of input management, the carrying capacity will be very, very low. But if I have systems to support the activities, my carrying capacity of the ecosystem can be higher. But ultimately, there is an upper limit because there is a finite amount of pollution an ecosystem can absorb. The finite amount of land that an ecosystem has. In fact, if some of you know the concept of limits to growth, a limits to growth concept comes from the idea that ecosystems have their carrying capacities. It's also called as the most viable population. तो हमें इसमें discussions चाहिए था. How is this concept relevant for sustainable planning of a region? So you must explain the carrying capacity linked to sustainable development क्या होता है? So sustainable development is not just about environmental conservation. It is not just about preserving the forest. Sustainable development के 4 components हैं. There is a component of ecology ecosystem. There is a component of economy the region depends on. There is a concept of equity, rights of the population important है. Plus, एक और important aspect of sustainable development is that it must assure you quality of life. So आपको लिंक करना था the carrying capacity linked to the environmental management in terms of ensuring that the environment is used for human development also. It is used for human quality of life, but there are limits to how much you can use the environment. So while you understand what sustainable development is, there was problem in interpreting how to write this particular answer. I'm sharing the link of this particular question and students have the answers. Do check the answers what students have written and see what comments I have given you. एक additional linkage of carrying capacity है the concept of ecosystems resilience. the concept of ecosystem stability or homeostasis. Okay, where carrying capacity is not just about the population of an area, it's also about the dependency of the population on other life forms in that trophic structure. तो आप इकोसिस्टम के लैंग्वेज के साथ में लिखना था हाउ इट्स लिंक टू इकोसिस्टम्स स्टेबिलिटी. Check out for good nice discussions PYQs. There's no other way of learning answer writing than writing answers and seeing and learning from what others are writing. My Telegram channel, Shabbir Educame for IAS, is dedicated for answer writing, and you will learn tremendously, get to interact with me, get my feedback, and also improve so that you get ready for the answer writing when you actually have the proper tests. Shabbir Educame for IAS at the YouTube channel and also on the Telegram channel. I've shared the link below.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabbir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.